Hello, this is Michael Emery with Emery EPS Internet Marketing, and I'm doing website reviews for the keyword search phrase Seattle Attorney. And essentially what I'm doing is I'm identifying some of the factors that are preventing websites from showing up on page 1 for this keyword search phrase. And what we want ideally is to be on page 1 in the top 3 positions, because that's where the majority of the website traffic is going to go. So right now we're all the way at the bottom. We're in the top 100, and we're looking at the final result here, position 100 in Google search results for Seattle Attorney, and we're seeing law offices of Susan Mindenbergs. So let's take a look at this website and identify why this is on page 10, position 100, instead of on page 1, position 1, 2, or 3. So we're going to look at it through the eyes of the robots and see what they're seeing here. Okay, so we've got some title issues here. The title is way too long. We need to condense this title. The meta description looks good. It needs to have some geographic locations added to it. We have some issues here with the headers. The headers are not properly set up, and they're not targeting the keyword phrase, search phrases as they could be to be optimized. We got microformat issues, and the rest of it seems to be fine. The page score, let's see here, the performance page speed score looks good, but we've got some Y-slow issues. The rest of this looks fine. When we go to Google and look at the page speed tools through Google, Google's telling us that the mobile version of the website has got some issues. So we need to do some optimization for the mobile version. The desktop version is fine. We're in the green, so we're good there. Now let's take a look at the offsite, and this is going to tell us a lot about this website. We're in competition for page 1 with websites that have trust flows of approximately 30, give or take. And so we've got 175 backlinks, but when we see a trust flow of 0, this tells me that the 175 backlinks that I'm seeing are not doing this website any good. They're not high quality backlinks to the site. So the ratio. Here's a major reason why. I'm not seeing any backlinks in here out of these percentages. I'm not seeing any backlinks that are relevant to the search phrase context of Seattle, the geographic location, and something having to do with lawyer. We're seeing a couple of generic, but we're not seeing Seattle or anything about a Seattle area or Washington, and lawyer, legal, or attorney. So moving forward, here's what we'd have to do for this site. We'd have to do some on-site optimization, bring up some of the performance factors, optimize the mobile site, and then begin to target specific keyword phrases that are relevant to the services being offered by this firm. Once we do that, then we can start to run campaigns and begin to boost the trust flow of this website. We need to get it up into that 30 range so that we can be competitively positioned on page 1 of Google search for keyword phrases like Seattle Attorney, Attorney Seattle, Seattle Lawyer, etc., etc. Searches that are driving traffic and also relevant to the services being offered by this firm. So I would love to have the opportunity to speak with the individual in charge of internet marketing for this firm and answer any questions and outline a plan to move forward with the strengthening of the visibility of this website so that we can increase and enhance our revenue potential. So thank you very much for your time, and I will be in touch.